When Jupiter returns to Gemini, Mithun Rashi in your 12th house, especially for Cancer ascendant, Kark Lagna, it marks the beginning of a deeply spiritual and karmic phase. This is a time to go inward, heal yourself, and reconnect with your inner world. Over the past 12 years, knowingly or unknowingly, you may have let go of old habits, attachments, and expectations. Now, Jupiter is returning to the same place where this journey had started. The 12th house in astrology is about moksha, spiritual freedom, solitude and inner reflection, dreams and subconscious mind, foreign places or isolated environments, work done behind the scenes, meditation, retreats or spiritual learning. When Jupiter comes back close within 5 degrees to its original position in your birth chart, it's called a Jupiter return. This is a powerful time when karmic lessons complete. You may receive spiritual insights without any loud signs, just through silence and inner knowing. Old wounds or subconscious blocks can be healed. Now, because this return is happening in Gemini, an air sign ruled by Mercury, your spiritual journey gets a more intellectual and curious flavor. You may feel drawn to reading or writing about spiritual topics, learning metaphysical or occult subjects, connecting with healing or spiritual communities, especially online. Journaling, automatic writing, or receiving messages through dreams. What should you focus on during this time? Spend more time alone and in silence. Meditate, sleep well, and pay attention to your dreams. Let go of emotional baggage you have been carrying for too long. Plan a retreat, solo trip, or attend a spiritual workshop. Reflect on your past cycle because a new external journey will begin soon when Jupiter enters your first house. This is a sacred time. Don't underestimate it. What you understand what you understand now and heal now will decide the direction of your life for the next 12 years. But the 12th house also has a shadow side. It's related to hidden enemies, self sabotage, unhealthy isolation. So, when Jupiter transits here, it can also expand any unconscious fear or self destructive habit. You may notice repeating patterns like procrastination, overthinking, comparing yourself with others. This is your chance to ask: am I standing in my own way? What am I ignoring that I need to face? Jupiter brings these things to light so you can release them and move forward, but you have to be honest with yourself. You may get powerful intuitive dreams or flashes during this time, revealing deep truths about your life. But Gemini's energy may make your mind restless, wanting to learn, talk, or stay busy all the time. That's why it's important to find a balance between mental activity and inner peace. Let go of emotional and spiritual weight. This Jupiter return is your chance to experience deep inner freedom. You are being invited to face your fears, heal karmic pain, and clear old emotional blocks. This is not a time for outer achievement, it's a time to look within. All the answers are inside you. That's a real message of this transit.